sabihin mo siya. Sampalan mo siya. Kasi hindi katagi. Sabihin mo siya, nakikigan mo siya, no?
Number 12 drives, rebound by number 29, big rebound by number 29, intercepted by number 8. Number 8, basket. 2-0. Ram dribbling the ball, looking for his barkada, Pahara. 15 to shoot. 10 to shoot. No good, big rebound by number 12. Eric nagdi-dribble ng bola. Nagsisenya sa kakampi. Binigay sa 8, 10 to shoot. Intercepted by number 67. Ram, no good. Technical.
Concerning.
Shouting. Same ball. Time to shoot. Intercepted by Para. Para to bring the ball. Drives to number 69. Fires no good. Rebound by Eric. Time to shoot. 5 to shoot. Number 9 to number 12, Nayak. To number 13, Eric. 10 to shoot. No good. Rebound by number 29 to number 15. 15 dribbling the ball in the front court to Ram. Ram signaling the play to number 15, Pahara. Pahara fires a 3, no, to 29. Rebound by number 9. Binigay kay Eric. Eric nagsaset ang play. Binigay kay 22. Calibre 22 to 13. To 9. Mario Brother up. Teng, tereng, kadeng, teng. Ram nag-dribble ng bola, nagmamadali. Binigay sa 29, to Pahara. Binubulabog ng 8. Dada 2. Number 4, Rigondola, first personal foul, first team foul. And to shoot. Warning 67 for flapping. Same ball. Forty seconds to shoot. Jump ball.
Tawag mo na! Tawag mo na!
Papasok niya.
Ram nagsisignal ng play, binigay kay Pahara. Binubulabog ng 8 sa 13. Pahara. Binigay sa 27. Oops, turnover. Resort timeout. Timeout, Cream. Running score 4-2 in favor of Mint Cream. Running time 4 minutes and 18 seconds before end of the first quarter. Back to the ball game.
Resto ka na!
14 seconds to shoot. Para finds a three. No good. Rebound by number 9 to number 13. Eric, pinipreso rin Pahara, binigay kay Betinos, binalik sa 13 to 9 to 13. 3 seconds violation ang nakuha. Gondola, binubulabog ng 22. Binigay 69. Pasok. Deadlock at 4. Number 12. Number 29. Number 69. First personal foul, second team foul. 10 to shoot. Number 12, blocking foul. Number 12, first personal foul, second team foul. 12 to shoot. Time to shoot. Running score 6-4 in favor of Team Pahara. To shoot. Eric tries a three. Eric, 3-point. One minute and 45 seconds. 15 to shoot. 10 to shoot. 40 to shoot. Ram fires a 2. No good. Rebound by number 12. For number 22. No good. Para gets the ball. Pressure by number 12. Basket by Pahala. Seconds. Last 49 seconds. Finds a 3, no good. What a shot by Ram. Seconds. No more shot clock. Number 12 to number 22. Number 22 to Eric. Eric fires. Eric. Last 3 seconds. End of the first quarter. Running score 11-10 in favor of Eric's team. Second quarter. Second quarter. Number 4 fires a 3. No good. Rebound by number 67. To the point guard. Intercepted by number 8. Number 8 to number 24. 24 to number 4. Number 4. Offensive foul number 24. Number 24 first personal foul. First team foul. Kabila daw sabi ni point guard number 2 Presto. Number 67 Tumira. Wala. Rebound ni number 9 to Ko. Ko nagmamadali, may pupuntaan. Ayan na. Wala. Oops. Number 24 second personal foul. Second team foul. Traveling violation.
Let me play. Maurice, magkrito ka nga. Pag may tumira, baba ah.
Kung makalmadong nagbaba ng bola, nag-isip tumira, umalis ka daw dyan, umalis ka. Binabantayan siya, tumira ng 3. Push forward. Number 3. Number 3, first personal foul, first team foul. First throw by Cole, no good. Second throw.
Pre,
Pasok ang pangalawa.
di na yun sa bola. Ito.
Number 20 finds a three. No good. Number 67.
Wala pa dito sa ano. Dalawa.
Number 22. First personal foul, third team foul. Time to shoot. What a pass by number 2, hindi lang nasalo. Ko, dribbling the ball. Binubulabog ni Sia. Offensive foul number 22.
Pre,
Number 22, second personal foul. Warning for penalty.
Police.
14 to shoot.
Hey, it's good to me. Hey, Allen, dito.
Penalty number 24, third personal foul. First throw by Sia. It's good. Second throw by Sia. No good. Rebound by Ko. What a sidestep by Ko. 14-11. Sia, umatake. Wala. Rebound by number 8. Sia. Timeout. Eric's team. Number 24, fourth personal foul.
Let them score. Just don't do a foul when you're grabbing them. You're grabbing them.
Running score 14-11. Back to the ball game. First throw by Sia. No good. Jumpers ready. Second throw. No good. Rebound by number 9. Oh, nagmamadali. Diretso. Wala. Rebound ni 29 to number 3.
Number 2.
Number 2, blocking foul. Number 2, first personal foul. Third team foul.
Coach, pangalawang tira, time out.
Number 8, tries a 3. Wala. Nakuha ng number 9 to number 24. Second personal foul, warning for penalty. Number 22 to number 9. It's a traveling violation.
Right, time out.
Hindi na kang nabigay na eh.
Number 2, Bilgay Garcia. Dive. No good.
Time out.
Yes, score. Foul, sir, foul. Number 8. Number 8. Ayun na.
Number 8, second personal foul.
Number 24 apat. Number 8 dalawa. Number 24 apat. Number 8 dalawa.
Back to the ball game.
Sabi mo siya, look for some free passer.
Fourteen 12. Jumpers ready. Basket. Number 4, Bright. Sia, third personal foul, penalty. First throw by Ko. Pasok. Pangalawang free throw ni Ko. Pasok. One score. 16-13 in favor of Eric's team. Sia nagdadala ng bola. Gusto mong matake. Sia. Tumira, wala. Rebound ni 67, talo ang bola. Sia, pasok. 1 point lead by Eric's team. Number 29, first personal foul. Penalty. First free throw by Ko. Basket. Second throw. Basket. One score, 18-15 in favor of Eric's team. Number 2 to number 25, Pioneers, no good. Rebound by Ko. Ko nagmamadali. Atake. Sigurado atake yan. Wala. Rebound by number 25. 20 seconds. Last 45 seconds. And the second quarter to number 2. To screen by number 25 to Sia. 15 to shoot. What a block. Last 10 seconds. End of the second quarter. Running score 2015 in favor of Eric's team. Back to the ball game, Paharas basketball. Third quarter. Pahara to Sia. Sia. No good. Rebound by Pahara. Number 12, second personal foul. First team foul. Ten to shoot. Five to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. 4. Offensive foul, number 4. Number 4. First personal foul, second team foul. Number 2 to number 4. Number 4 dribbling the ball, pressure by number 13. 10 to shoot. Para fires a 3 ups. No good. Rebound by number 24. Number 24 to number 12. Number 12. One score 22-15. Siya nagdating po. Seconds. One score 22-17 in favor of Eric's team. Ramsey laying the play. Ram to Sia. Sia to Ram. Ram looking for his teammates, back to Sia. Intercepted by Gu. Oh, basket! 24-17. Go coast to coast by Ko. Number 2 to number 15, Pahara. 15 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Round fires a 3. No good. Rebound by number 9. Traveling violation. And to shoot. Number 4, second personal foul, first team foul. 2 free throw by Cole. First basket. 25-17. Jumper's ready. Second throw. Wala. Rebound ni Ram. Bigay kay siya. Siya umatake. Wala. Rebound kang lang 12. Nakuha ni Ko. Ko nagmamadali uli. Foul number 15, Pahara. Sabret. Number 15, Paharas. First personal foul, second team foul. Goes to number 8. Number 8. Atake. Tumira. Wala. Rebound ni siya. Binigay kay Ram. Ram nagmamadali. Tumira. Wala. Airball. Eric, take the dribble. Hinaharang ni. Double foul. Number 69. Paharas ball. Number 4. Eric. Team. Same ball.
Hindi tayo out of possession. Ball control nila eh. Same ball. Ball control nila eh.
Eric's team. Eric's team. Eric's team. Sino? Ah.
Tayo at makabila.
Sa isa.
Sa third
Ika-carry over ba yan?
hindi.
Saan nalabas sa saan? Nakakagulo.
Sige, 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 sige.
Dapat 13. Ito pa.
Number 13, first personal foul, running for penalty. Second shot by Sia. Pasok.
Yan, coach. Ba't dalawang ano? Mag-isabay ito yung team siya?
Eric!
Rick,
Si Eric ang coach dito.
di ba?
Hindi ikaw
Ibang team siya? Technical mo, technical na. Technical.
Yan mo nga. Kasi
Hey guys,
respect naman ng teams natin. May team na kayo, di ba? Nagko-coach kayo ng pag may kalaban to. I-respect nyo naman kasi wawarningan natin eh.
Dapat technical na nga yan.
Technical dapat, di ba?
Dapat technical. Dapat technical na.
Time out kami pagka nakasulas. Free throw to. Pagka
Kailangan pa yan eh.
Pag-uwi.
Magugulo ka lang palagi. Minsan eh.
Wala silang warning.
Yun yung lista dapat.
Sino nung may warning?
Yung page.
Warning mo rin.
warning Eric's team for delaying the game. Last throw by
Time out kami ha.
no good. Number 25, first personal foul. Warning for penalty.
Kaya mata kayo?
Time out, Brian's team.
Hindi ba stop time pag time out? Tumatakbo ko kanina pa. Yung gaya ng 55.
Sorry.
Back to the ball game. Jumpers ready. Running score 26-20 in favor of Eric's team. To shoot. Twenty-six, 22. Intercepting Eric. Eric vibes. No good. 14 to shoot. Save ball. Last 20 seconds. Basket count. Number 69. Third personal foul.
Warner number 4 for taunting, ha? Warning number 4 for taunting. Number 4.
Number 4. Warning for taunting.
Hindi, wala. Yung isa naman delaying the game eh. Yung isa delaying the game yung counting. Hindi, dalawa yung technical eh. Double technical, di ba? Kanina kay Darren sa kanya. Double technical. Ngayon, bakit ba one nila? Dapat technical na siya eh. Tama. Tapos sa double belt ano?
Hindi, double goal. Ayaw natin namin. Pag inulit din pero.
Araw. Kasi di ba, nag-double. Tapos wala daw yun. O sa kanilang araw to.
So ngayon, kanina bola?
Kanilang bola.
Sure ka?
Tapos dito na. Di ba kanina naman nag-double, sabi mo walang araw? Kanila. Es kanina, di ba sa ganun?
Green ball na.
Green ball. Green ball, green ball.
Green ball.
Kanina sa inyo. Pag-double pero sa inyo.
Running score 30-22 in favor of Eric's team. Ready? (15 to shoot). Number 12. Pass to number 8. Number 8 fires. Basket. Running score 32-22. 10 points lead by Eric's team. To Sia. Sia drives. Takes. No good rebound by number 12. Binigay sa number 4. Number 4 nagmamadali. Ayan, number 4. Umatake. Foul. Number 15, Pahara, second personal foul, first team foul. First foul by Pierre. Wala. Second throw ni Pierre. Pasok. Running score 33-22. Pahara binubulabog ng 22. Pahara to Sia. Sia tumira, wala. Balik sa number 2, tumira 3, wala. Basket. Brian, no good. Rebound by number 8 to Pierre. Pierre. Number 2, second personal foul, second team foul. First throw by Ko. Pasok. Second throw by Ko. Tama, sub. Sub rep.
Overrated.
Umatake, binigay kay Ponce. Pahara, tumira 3, wala. Rebound up, follow up ni Ponce, pasok. 37-24. Number 8, nagmamadali. Number 8, basket. Sia fires a 3, no good. Rebound by Ponce. Sia again, basket. 39-26. Number 8, nagmamadali, may pupuntahan. Binubulawag ni Para. Offensive foul. Number 8. Timeout. Eric's team. Number 8. Third personal foul. First team foul. Remaining time 6 minutes and 28 seconds before end of the game. Running score 39-26 in favor of back to the ball game. Pahara's basketball. Sia binubulabog ng 22. Sia umatake. Block by number 12. Rebound by number 9. Number 22. Steal by Pahara. Number 22, third personal foul, second team foul. Binubulabog siya ng 22. Iniskrinan na siya para down. Number 4. Number 4, call third personal foul. Third team foul. Para fires a 3. No good.
Si Pierre.
Traveling violation. Siya pinapantayan ng 8. 8. Binubulay si Siya. Siya umatake. Pasok. One score, 39-28 in favor of Eric's team. Number 9 to number 4. Number 4, binubulabog ni Ponce. Kinakawayan niya, high daw, high. 5 to shoot. Tumira 3, pasok. For 3 point. One score, 42-28. In favor of Eric's team. To shoot. Number 9, first personal foul, warning for penalty. Sabrep.
Sige, tawag ka. Go, go. Sige.
First throw by Sia. Basket. 40-29. Second throw by Sia. No good. Umatake ang 24. Wala. Tibay by Ram. Intercepted ni Eric. Intercepted ni Pahara. Para sa 3. No good. Bigay kay Ponce. Ponce talo out. Basket. 40-31. 2 minutes and 50 seconds. Ko. Binubulabog ng 69. Ko. 15 seconds to shoot. Number 12, who's called rep? 24, tan, tan, taran. Umatake si Pahara. 14 to shoot. 14 to shoot. Ponce. Binubulabog ng 69. 14 to shoot. 1 minute and 40 seconds. Number 8, fourth personal foul. Penalty. First throw by Ram. Wala. Second throw by Ram. Pasok.
Apple Ponce.
Line violation. Para Parson 3. No good. Malas talaga siya. One minute and 4 seconds before end of the game. 40 seconds to shoot. Intercepted by Eric.
Ang 44 ka.
Forty-four, 34. Twenty-five seconds. 14 to shoot. To shoot. Last 20 seconds. 5 to shoot.
Picture.
Malas ang Brown.
Malas ka. Parang malas ko.
Ha?